I've read this book called Surrounded by Idiots, and it's such a great one for human behavior. It really helps to kind of understand and communicate with other people better, say like in a relationship setting or in a work setting, or just like daily encounters with everyday life. Because you can't control how other people perceive you, but you can control how you perceive others. So if someone's acting a particular way, you might be a bit like, I know why they're doing that, because they're maybe more of a red or a blue person. And it basically breaks people down into red, yellow, green, and blue. So reds are maybe more driven, but maybe a bit bossy. Yellows are quite like optimistic, quite friendly, outgoing, but maybe can talk about themselves a bit much. Greens are pretty laid back, but also very chilled and like quite worker bees as well. And blues can be quite analytical, but also maybe a bit aloof. That's me like kind of categorizing them very broadly. The book goes into a lot more detail about those certain characteristics, and it's just really helpful if you are maybe in a work setting in particular, and you maybe have to work with someone and you just can't quite get on with them and you're not quite sure why, you're just kind of like butting heads a bit. Maybe they're like the kind of opposite profile to you, and that's why you're struggling to kind of communicate. But if you understood them a bit more, then you could communicate a bit better. So it's a great book for human communication and relationships and behaviors. So I really recommend.